5 into cos square. Cos square 60 plus 4 into secant square 30 minus tan square 45. Okay, by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. Okay. So what we have, 5 into cos square 60 degree plus 4 into secant square 30 degree minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. So substitute the values and find. Try now. So 5 into cos 60 degree. Okay, 5 into cos 60. So what is the cos 60 value? 1 by 2. Whole square plus 4 into secant 30. What is secant? Secant is a reciprocal of cos. So it is cos 30 reciprocal. So what will be that? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 square divided by sin 30 square. Sin 30 is what? It is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by whole square. Okay. If you have doubt, just listen once who are having doubt. See, 5 into whenever it's a square, just multiply the number 2 times. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 4. So it is 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 into 2 by root 3. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 4 by 3. Minus 1 square is 1 by 1 by 2 whole square is what? 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4. So it is 3 by 4. So separately simplify the numerator, then the denominator. Okay. So 5 into 1 by 4 is 5 by 4 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 by 3 minus 1 by here 4 same denominator, just add the numbers. This is the denominator. Now take the LCM. 4, 3 and 1. LCM will be 12. 4 3s are 12. Here, okay, write down this and then we'll simplify in the next sheet. Otherwise, no space. Now, 4 and 12. Now, separately numerator, take the LCM. LCM will be 12. Anyone having doubt, clarify this. See, taking the LCM and simplifying every chapter, it will come. Don't do mistake in that. Okay. Many are doing, but others aren't. So LCM is 12. LCM by denominator. So 12 by 4 is 3. This 3 you multiply with the numerator. So 5 into 3, 15. Plus 12 by 3 is 4. 4 into 16. Minus. Then here LCM is 12. Denominator is 1. 12 by 1 is 12. 12 into 1, 12. You will get this whole thing by this same denominator. So 1 plus 3. This actually becomes 1 here. Now 16 into 4, 64 plus 15 minus 12. How much you will get? 15 here, 64. And 15 minus 12, we will take it as 3 directly. So you will get it as 67. By 12 divided by, this is 4 by 4. If I cancel, I'll get it as 1. So this will be the It is equal to 67 by 12. Same thing you got. Understood? So numerator separately simplify, denominator separately simplify. Anyway, you are getting one, we keep it as it is. Otherwise, you have to reciprocal and multiply. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. First one, 2 tan 30 degree, 2 into tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Do this now. Whatever answer you will get, that match with the options. Whatever. Try this. Root 3 by 2. Second. First one, sorry. Root 3 by 2 you are getting. So that is equal to sine 60 degree. Okay. Do the second one now, everyone. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Do this. So 1 minus tan 45 is 1. So 1 square by 1 plus 1 square. Okay. So 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1, 0 you will get. So it is equal to 0. Okay. Third one, once we will do, listen, third one. Sine 2a is equal to 2 into sine a. Is it true when a is equal to, he has given sine 2a is equal to 2 into times the sine a. When he is asking the options as 0 degree, B it is given 30 degree, C 45, and D it is given 60 degree. Okay. So what you can do is, for which value of A this is true, he is asking the question. Okay. So first put A is equal to 0. What you will get? Sine into sine of 2 into 0 will be equal to sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Okay. This is the LHS part. What about the RHS? It is 2 into sine A. A is, I have taken 0. So 2 into sine 0 is 0. That is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to RHS here. So option first one is the correct option. So in this type, put the values and try. Put 30 degree, will not get. See, 2 into 30 will be 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Whereas 2 times of sine 30. Sine 30 is, okay. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Only with the 0 degree we will get the value. Okay. Right. Understood? Okay. Listen, wait. We'll do it. Okay. Third one, listen once. Sine 2a is equal to 2 times of sine a. And he is asking for which value of a angle this is true. That means whether LHS is equal to RHS, for which value you will get this. Okay. They have given the 4 options here. One is 0 degree, second one 30, third 45, and D it is 60. Think I am taking 30 degree first. Right. Okay. Now I will take angle A is equal to 30 degree. So what will become the LHS? Sine of 2 into 30 degree. Okay. Now this is equal to sine 60 degree. So what is sine 60? It is root 3 by. Okay. What about the RHS now? 2 into sine A. That is 2 into sine of 30 degree. 2 into 1 by 2. You will get 1. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. So this is not true for 30 degree. So this is not the option. Try with 0 degree now. A is equal to 0 degree. Okay. So sine of 2 into 0 degree LHS. So what you will get? Sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Okay. Now, what about the RHS? Put that A is equal to 0 degree. 2 into sine A. That is 2 into sine of 0 degree. Sine 0 is 0. It is 0 degree. Here, you are getting LHS is equal to RHS. That is, for A is equal to 0 degree, we have sine 2A is equal to 2 times sine A. So, this is the correct option. So, here what you have to do is substitute the answer itself. So, which is the correct one? Understood? Now, into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. So, we will get 2 into 1, 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 into 1, 1, root 3 into root 3, 3. Correct? Square means you have to multiply 2 times. So, 1 by 3. Now, 2 by root 3. Here you have to take the LCM. LCM will be 3. 3 by 1 is 3. So, 3 into 1 is 3. Minus, again 3 by 3. LCM by denominator, 3 by 3 is 1. That you multiply with numerator, you will get 1. So, 2 by root 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So, 2 by 3. So, this is division, right? Division will become multiplication. Okay. So, 2 by root 3. This division, when it goes up, it becomes a multiplication and reciprocal. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. 2 and 2 I can cancel. I will get 3 by root 3. 3 I can write it as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So, this is okay. In the options, they have given tan 60. Tan 60 value is also root 3. Tan 60 also root 3. So, option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Third one. Listen now. They have given if tan of A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, they've given tan of A plus B is root 3, tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Now, they have given A plus B angle is more than 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree. In this range, A plus B value will come. Okay. And A is greater than B. Find A and B. This is the question they have given. So, A and B are the angles. A and B are the angles. Together, it is in the range of 0 to 90 degree. Okay. You have to find what is A angle and what is B angle. This is the question. Okay. So, tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. Tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. Okay. That means tan of some angle is equal to root 3. When you will get root 3 angle? 60 degree. See, tan of A plus B is equal to root 3. So, if A plus B is what angle you will get root 3? When it is 60 degree. So, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Understood? See, when angle you will get root 3, when tan 60 is there, root 3. So, A plus B should be equal to 60 degree here. Then, tan of A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. When you will get 1 by root 3? 30 degree. So, A minus B should be equal to 30 degree. Then only you will get 1 by root 3. So, A minus B is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now, that elimination method we are using, right? So, you can do the same thing. Add the two equations. A plus A is 2A. Plus B minus B will be 0. That is equal to 60 plus 30, 90 degree. So, 2 into A is 90 or A is equal to 90 by 2. So A is equal to 45 degree. Okay, A is equal to 45 degree. Now we have A plus B is 60. We know A is 45. Substitute that, plus B is equal to 60 degree. Or B is equal to 60 minus 45. So how much will be that? B is 15 degree. Try this question. If sine of A plus B is equal to 1 and cos of A minus B is equal to root 3 by 2 and A plus B is greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree, less than or equal to 90 degree. Okay, and A is greater than B. Find A and find A and do this. Got everyone? So when you will get A plus B 90, A plus B sine of what value is 1? It is 90 degree. So A plus B is 90 degree. A minus B is 30 degree. So if you add them, you will get 2A is 120. A is equal to 120 by 2. So A is equal to 60 degree. And again B, if you substitute that value, A plus B is 90. I know A is 60. So 60 plus B is 90. And B will be equal to 32. Okay. Now we have statement problems, true or false. Fourth one. True or false is there. Okay. First question, sine of A plus B. Listen here, sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. Whether it is true or false. True or false? False. How you can do? Put A and B some value and check. Put A is equal to 30 degree and take B is equal to 90 degree. Or not 90, 60 degree. So what you will get? Sine of A plus B is 90. LHS. So it is 1. RHS sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is not equal to 1. Correct? So LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not true for all the values. Maybe 1 or 2 values it is true, but not for all the values. So answer will be, therefore, it is false. Okay. Whenever you are not able to understand directly, put some values and try. Next one. Pavan, tell me what is the answer for the second one? Second question. True or false? That's what I'm seeing. Which question you're not understanding? Second question. True or false? Huh? I don't know. You tell the answer, no? The value of sine theta increases as theta increases. True. Why it is true? Why it is true? What we are doing? We are doing some other subject. I don't have no idea. Lakshit, what will be the answer? False. False. Okay, we have true. It is true. See, sine theta. See the values here. Sine value, it is from 0 to 90 degree we are taking. If you consider the values, it starts from 0, it ends at 1. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. So it is increasing. See, listen carefully. It is, values are increasing as the degree increases. So it is true. Okay, always remember sine function, it is an increasing function. Understood? Third one. What about the cos?
It's false.
It is false because cos is always decreasing. If you observe from 0 degree to 90 degree, it comes from 1 to 0. It keeps on decreasing to 0. So whatever he has given is false. Okay. Next, fourth one. Tamanna, what is the answer? Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Because sin 30 is not equal to cos 30. So it is 45 degree, correct. So it is false. Bhavi, next one. What is the answer? Cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. True. What is cot 0? It is not defined. So it is okay. So until now we have finished 8.2. See, whatever we have done now, trigonometry, it is the easiest part. Next, identities will come. It is little bit tricky is there. So first learn all these well. Once revise well, then we will do the next one. Okay. From tomorrow we'll start electricity. Here we will end the today's class. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. If the content of this channel is useful, please like the video and share with your friends. Thank you.